I'm just making this video because I just saw an email. I just got forwarded an email from a retailer who I've been talking to Teverun. And Teverun's engineers are talking about I'm full of shit, right? How their scooters are not unoptimized. Y'all see one battery pack, same motors, just different controllers, right? Their controllers are optimized, the best optimization for those motors, right? One battery pack, 60 volts, still was reduced power. That's what I'm hitting. Show me any Blade GT that y'all have sold in the last year and a half that could do this with those motors. You won't, and you'll lie to your consumers, and you'll lie to your retailers, and you'll lie to the public and cover up the problem for your next scooter. Guess what? It's in the Supreme and it's in the Fighter 11. Same issues. So, yeah. I guess y'all keep talking emails rather than resolving problems because that's easier for y'all. Suck a dick.